Today I'm gonna be going on a field trip to the beach, and my bathing suit is under my blue polo, and I'm going to slide it off. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so without any further ado, let's go to the school, get on the bus, and go to the beach. Are you coming, Lila?
Yes, Kanan.
I'm waiting.
Coming. Hi, Kanan.
My friend, I'm excited for the beach. Are you?
Yep.
I can do anything.
Okay.
I'll get that Alvin yet.
Well,
How about you, kid?
Of course I want to join you guys. Uh-oh. I'm stuck. Could somebody help me, please? I need some help. Please save me. Huh? Hey, the scuba diving.
don't worry, Kanan.
But,
Kanan, wait for me.
okay.
Kanan.
Wait for me here while I change my clothes.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Agent P. So, anyway, stop Doofenshmirtz.
The theme song.
All right.
Sammy, I'm a squirrel. Smartest little rodent in the world. I can do anything that he can. This thing is squirrel. Sammy, I'm a squirrel. Smartest little rodent in the world. I can do anything.
And that's how Sammy and Lincoln became best friends.